Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy this BlowFish token on Trust Wallet and on PancakeSwap. So to do this, you need to go, of course, first on your Trust Wallet, and you need to have BNB coins here in order to buy this BlowFish token. So if you don't have it already, you can either buy it like this by clicking buy BNB and just basically exchanging from your money here, but Trust Wallet has higher fees than, for example, Binance.com, and I highly suggest you to use Binance.com for exchanging your BNB coins. To do this, I will leave the link in the description below for Binance.com for 5% deposit bonus for you. So definitely use that, you will get more coins. And after that, you will need to transfer BNB coins from Binance to Trust Wallet. So to do this, you need to click on Receive BNB, you copy the address or you scan the QR code and you send the money from Binance to Trust Wallet. After you will see BNB coins here, you need to click on this browser button. But if you don't see this, you need to copy this address where you can see it at the top and paste it to your Safari browser and just click on Go. And the Trust Wallet app will open up and the browser button will be enabled for you and you will see it after that. So in order to buy this BlowFish, we need to use PancakeSwap. So I'm gonna click on PancakeSwap and I'm gonna connect my Trust Wallet here. So you click on Connect Trust Wallet, and in order to buy this BlowFish, you need to be on the exchange section. Make sure to make slippage tolerance 11% or lower, and after that, from BNB to this BlowFish, we need to paste the address here of this BlowFish, because otherwise the PancakeSwap won't find this token. So I just copied the contract address from BCC Scan of the BlowFish, and I'm gonna paste it like this right here. I'm gonna add it, and that's it, guys. That's how you do this. That's how you buy a BlowFish token on PancakeSwap and on Trust Wallet. You're just gonna enter the amounts and you're gonna buy this token. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.